Where are we?
At the baseball game at Seattle.
All right. We're going to have a good time?
Yes.
Good.
Party people! Yeah! Tag team music in full effect. That's me, DC, the brain supreme, and my man Steve Rowland. We kicking the flow, we're kicking the flow, and it goes a little something like this.
I forgot my glove. So I hope you don't get hit in the face.
Tag team back again. Check it to wreck it, let's begin. Party on, party people, let me hear some noise. DC's in the house, jump, jump, and joy. There's a party over here, a party over there. With your hands in the air, shake it, derriere. These street words mean you're getting busy. Woo, there it is, hit me. Woo, there it is. 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 Upside down and inside out. About to show all the folks what it's all about. Now it's time for it to get on the mic and make this mother party hot. I'm taking it back to the old school, cause I'm an old fool who's so cool. If you wanna get down, I'ma show you the way. Woo, there it is, let me hear you say woo, there it is. Come on, y'all. Woo, there it is. Woo, there it is. Come on, y'all. Woo, there it is. Louder. Woo, there it is. Come on, y'all. Woo, there it is. Louder. Woo, there it is. Woo, there it is. Woo, shaka laka, shaka laka, shaka laka, shaka. 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 Blank, gin and juice I drink and getting bent as I puff on dank. Rock the mic, the old ocra, skin rip, skip on a honey, dip it in, slam dunk it, snip it, flip it and ride that B double MT. Why on my whoop, that's it. Come on, whoop, there it is, I'm done. Whoop, there it is. Come on, whoop, there it is. Louder, whoop, there it is. Give it to me. Whoop, there it is. Come on, whoop, there it is. Get louder, whoop, there it is. Let me hear. Whoop, there it is. Come on, whoop, there it is. Some say I'm crazy cause I'm pushing up daisies. The underground sound that you niggas have found amazing, outstanding, demanding, commanding. You people dancing, woo. That's a rep taker, I produce aka The Undertaker. You wanna come down to the underground old school? Here's a shovel, can you dig it, fool? Can you dig it? We can't dig it. Can y'all dig it? We can't dig it. Can you dig it? We can't dig it. Can y'all dig it? We can't dig it. Can you dig it? We can't dig it. Can y'all dig it? We can't dig it. Can you dig it? We can't dig it. Can y'all dig it? We can't dig it. WH to the OMP as I flow to the fly. From the school of old hardcore, get the folklore wreck. 3 to the 2 and 1 mic check. Man, skill flow real on the mesh of steel. That's a grill of the microphone I just killed. Party people, it's your party tag team is true. Whoop, there it is, I thought you knew. Whoop, there it is. 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 Yeah, tag team music coming straight at you. That's me, DC, the brain supreme, and my man Steve Rowland. Bring it back, y'all. Bring it back, y'all. Bring it back. Here we go. Whoop, there it is. 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 Whoop. Y'all ready for this?
Does that make you feel?
Do you remember when it first started? September, love was changing the minds, tender, while chasing the clouds away. Our hearts were ringing in the key that souls were singing as we danced in the night. Remember how the stars stole the night away. My thoughts are with you, holding hands with your heart to see you. Only blue talking love. Remember how we knew love was here to stay. Now December found a love we shared in September. Only blue talking love. Remember true love we shared today. Some bell was ringing, our souls were singing. Do you remember never a cloudy day?
Please don't forget to join us at table start for our final appointment.
Have fun at the very end.
September 30th.
Tell everyone bye.
With our fan appreciation night.